Okay, so today's lecture is on compound nouns. Compound nouns are formed by combining two or more words. So compound nouns have what would have originally been at least two words as part of the one compound noun. Often, the meaning of a compound noun is a special combination of the meanings of the original word's meanings, okay? So it's not just a, let's see. I started to say a milk bottle, but a milk bottle is a bottle of milk. Trying to think of one here, and I apologize for being slow on the uptake. Okay, I guess maybe a good example of that would be cowboy, okay? A cowboy is not really a boy that takes care of cows. Usually a cowboy is a man who takes care of cows, okay? All right, let's go on here. Sorry about that. To form a compound noun, a word may be formed by the following patterns. So let's look at this. 3 different ways we can form compound nouns, or that they are formed, okay? Cowboys, that's a compound noun, right? As I just said. And that word is all smushed together, okay? No spaces between the words. You could have the 2 words forming the one compound noun and meaning one thing, but with a space in between them, like you would have 2 completely separate words. Middle space class, okay? That's still a compound noun representing one thing. And then mother-in-law. Some of our compound nouns are indeed hyphenated, okay, in between the different separate words, of which there would be at least 2. Sometimes we have more than 2. Usually it's just 2 though. Different words that make up a compound noun, a singular, a one noun, if you will, a one compound noun. Sorry. Okay, so finally, making a compound noun plural means first determining which part of the word is more important, okay? Because remember, you have at least 2 words in a compound noun that have been put together to mean one thing. You have to determine which one of those words is more important to the meaning of the word, and then make that part, that more important part, plural. So if you have, for example, passerby, if you are in 8th grade, you can look in your book, and that is indeed one of the items that you have to do. So if you watch the videos, kudos. These 2 examples will help you in your work today that you'll be graded on. Passerby. Okay, which part's more important? Well, the more important part is the passer part, okay? Showing that someone is going by, okay? So passerby becomes passers-by, plural. And then singular, bride-to-be, compound noun. Well, which part of this is the most important part of the noun that tells us the most? It's the word bride. So we make the word bride plural. Bride to be singular becomes brides to be plural. Okay? All right. As always, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. Love y'all. Can't wait to see you Monday.